Hi everybody, this is Tabitha from All Natural and Good. I did a demo video about the UUNI Koda, but here's a more in-depth tutorial about making pizzas in an UUNI Koda pizza oven. First, you want to make sure when you're making your dough that you use a 00 flour. And we do have a dough recipe on our website, allnaturalandgood.com. You're going to take a baseball size ball of dough, and you're going to roll this out as thin as possible. The thinner, the better, because that's going to cook well in the UUNI Koda. And you want to make sure that your toppings aren't really cooked, and then you have an undercooked dough on the bottom. So this is just going to make a really good pizza. And you also want to make sure that you use enough flour for both rolling it out as well as on your pizza peel. And you can learn more about, the pizza peels that we use also on the post that is on the description of this video. So, this is just thinning out the dough here, and that's then going to be transferred to a pizza peel. Make sure you put down enough flour, or even cornmeal is a good option, so that it slides off effortlessly into the pizza oven. You're going to top your pizza with the toppings you want, and then you're going to get ready to put it in the UUNI Koda gas-powered pizza oven. So it's really easy to use. It comes already assembled. All you need is a propane tank. So you want to hook it up and turn on your propane valve, which is shown here. And then behind the oven, you will find this knob. So you want to push the knob in and then turn it to your left. You should hear it light, and if you do not, keep trying. Sometimes it takes a few tries to get the light to turn on, or the fire to turn on. And once that does happen, when you hear that the fire has been lit, you're going to keep holding the knob in for about 20 seconds to just make sure that it stays lit and doesn't go out. If you release it before 20 seconds, sometimes your fire will go out and you'll have to do it again. Not a big deal, but that's just an FYI there. So, it looks like we had to relight it, and we're going to hold that knob pushed in once it's lit for about 20 seconds. And once the 20 seconds is up, you will release it, and you just want to make sure that it's set to the highest setting that you see on the left of the knob with the kind of flame symbol. That's to make sure that it's on full flame. You could always lower this when you're cooking pizzas if you find that it heats up too hot, or your pizzas are getting burnt or cooking too fast, or you could always turn it off completely and the pizza will continue cooking on that hot pizza stone. So as you see, the fire's going there. It's well lit, and it can take up to 10 minutes to reach an optimal temperature for cooking pizzas. We use this infrared thermometer, which is also linked on our post, along with all the other essential supplies for making pizzas in the UUNI Koda. Right now it's in the 200s. You want it to be about 525 degrees or more. It does go up into the 700s, I believe. So now that it's ready, you are going to slide your pizza in using your pizza peels. Make sure it doesn't get too close to the fire. You just kind of want it right there in the middle. And it really should only take about 60 seconds for this pizza to cook all the way through if you do it correctly. You want to make sure that you kind of move it around every 20 seconds, slide it around so that all the edges of the crust and the toppings get cooked. And you'll see it start to brown when it's near done. And again, if you notice that your dough is undercooked on the bottom, but your toppings are getting nice and crispy, you could always turn off the flame completely and just let the pizza stone on the bottom cook that dough some more. And sometimes you might find that when you're starting to eat the pizza after you've pulled it out. And it's just kind of a learning curve with this oven. But as you see here, it's getting nice and crispy and almost done. Looks like we're just spinning it around a few more times to get all the edges nice and cooked. And the entire tutorial overview, along with the products for making pizza, and as well as some recipes for the dough, You will find that on our website, allnaturalandgood.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks.